Good day and welcome to another episode of Snom TV. In the previous video you would have seen I did a quick overview of our C520 and unboxing of our C520 WiMi. As I mentioned in this video, we had these great DECT expansion microphones that will give you extra reach if you've got somebody with a soft voice in the corner of the room. If you have got a bigger boardroom where you really need to catch voice in a bigger area, you're going to have these right on the device. We do, however, in the market come into the problem where it's not the microphone that's the issue. You have a problem hearing in a bigger boardroom the speaker. And this is where we go to our great solution, the C52-SP. And this is our expansion microphone and speaker system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run you through the box again today. As I open it, you're going to see the packaging that you're familiar with. In the box is going to be your quick installation guide. It's going to give you a quick run through of what to do with what, how to get it set up quickly and easily. All of our phones, once again, as I've mentioned, come with your 3-year Snom warranty, which are going to give you that peace of mind to really install this. And even on a finance deal, make sure your customer is happy with the solution. All right. As I take it out of the box, you're going to see the design language. It's very much the same as what you expect from Snom. It's going to have that very sleek look and feel. It's not going to have your screen because this is purely an expansion microphone and speaker system. But what I'm going to show you about this is really great. Next up is that it's battery operated. So with this unit, you can actually charge this anywhere in your office, carry it around. It's got the DECT technology built in. So let me just put the battery inside here. As you'll see, it comes with your nickel metal hydrate battery built in here, and it's as simple as plugging it in here in the battery slot, and now you have a totally wireless solution. So this device charges with the built-in power supply that you're going to get in the box. It's actually just got your charging spot there. But as soon as you've got this charged, you can actually walk around with this device and pair it up to any speaker phone that you have, any conference phone that you have paired around. And that's going to give you repeated voice. So it's going to have another speaker inside as well as additional microphones. So now you can really cover a really big area. So what's also great about this, as I've just mentioned, is it's totally wireless and you can pair up to 3 of these to your conference phone to cover absolutely massive area. What's also really exciting with this is we have the DECT dongle available from Snom, which you'll find in your price list or on our website. What's really exciting about this is this can be a totally standalone solution as well. What that takes is it takes the DECT technology that this speaker and microphone uses to connect to your conference phone, and this takes it to a DECT USB dongle. This means you can now use this cordless battery operated remote DECT solution alongside any Snom phone with a USB port, and this is most of our range except for two devices. You can also then put this into your PC, your laptop, anything with a USB port, and you can have that conference ability. You can use it with a wide variety of soft phones, applications, as well as using it on your Snom phone to make a huddle room solution, to make a small office solution where you can literally have a conference with any device wherever you are and have that great audio quality and security that you expect from Snom. So have a look at, for more details, please check out our website and find the spec sheet. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will be back soon with some exciting products. Thank you.